Happy holidays, guys. My name is Victor with Generation Kia. Here down at Generation, we have plenty of winter SUVs to choose from. But the vehicle I want to show off today is going to be the 2025 Kia Seltos S. Give me that. Now, if Santa ever needed to replace his sleigh, I'm going to give you the top 3 reasons why I believe the Kia Seltos S would be perfect for him. And for you. Reason number 1, the Seltos has 17-inch alloy wheels. Think about it. That's the same inch alloy wheels as the Kia Sorento LX. That's getting Santa around the world and you around Long Island. I get it. You're busy, Santa's definitely busy, which brings me to reason number 2. The Kia Seltos has remote start. All you have to do is click the lock button twice, then hold the remote start button for 3 seconds. Reason number 3, the Seltos is equipped with 10.25 inches worth of technology. That includes Android and Apple CarPlay, so when Santa gets a text from Mrs. Claus, he can safely read it, and on top of that, he also does have built-in navigation, so he can drive from chimney to chimney, dropping off your presents. There's so much more to see with the Kia Seltos, so me and my team at Generation Kia invite you to come take a test drive. Here at Generation Kia, we've been serving Long Island for generations.